you can absolutely upgrade your 20-volt max chainsaw. Here is the old 12-inch bar and chain. The Flex Volt from DeWalt is actually only a 16-inch bar and chain. I have replaced the 12-inch bar and chain on the 20-volt max with an 18-inch bar and chain. To upgrade, upgrading is simple. There's no special tricks, nothing difficult. It's just like swapping out the bar and chain on any other saw. You line up the holes with the bolts, place your bar and chain, you replace your cover, and that's it. The oiling system still works. The tensioning system still works. Everything operates as it would with the manufacturer bar and chain. This saw is a very capable saw, and I see no need to buy the Flex Volt version. With this mod, it's powerful enough to even make it through a 4x6. With blade to spare. And the best part about it is if you want to switch back to the smaller blade for pruning, you can use your old cover as a sort of scabbard for your samurai sword.